Welcome to Adventures in Snacking, and today I'm testing out a viral recipe that I found online. So when I first saw this recipe, the video was titled Lasagna Hot Dog, but I reckon I can add at least 2 additional layers to that. So sticking with the Italian theme, I'm taking that lasagna hot dog and I'm adding garlic bread and pizza. 3 of your Italian favorites all in one dish, plus hot dog. So, garlic bread, lasagna, pizza, hot dog. Will it be all of those things rolled into one, or none of those things and just an abomination? You be the judge, but stick around to find out. I'm starting with a long bread roll. This is a little bit firmer than a regular hot dog, but I don't think that's a problem. I actually think this is going to be a really good base for this dish. And I'm just splitting that long ways like you would a hot dog roll, but then when I go to open it out, it's feeling a bit stiff. This is often a problem with regular hot dog buns too, so here's a little tip on how to safely widen the buns to fit more stuff in without them splitting in half. I'm taking a short length of kitchen towel, soaking that in some water, squeezing some out just so there's no drips, and then I'll wrap that around the roll and put it in the microwave on high for about 10 seconds at a time, and I'll just repeat that until it feels nice and soft. And this will freshen it up and make it nice and soft and pliable, and now you can see I'm able to open it really nice and wide. So for the first main element of this dish, let's turn this bread into garlic bread by spreading on a generous layer of garlic butter. Once we're all nice and buttered up, I'm flipping that face down into a hot non-stick fry pan, then popping a weight on top to make sure both surfaces stay in contact with the pan and get nice and toasty. And that there is some nice toasty looking garlic bread. And next up, onto the lasagna hot dog. For this, you'll need a regular frankfurt and some wide pasta. I'm using curly fettuccine, and we're going to stick that dry pasta into the side of the frankfurt, quite close together along one entire side. That's then going into a wide frying pan with some boiling water where it will gently simmer until the pasta is cooked. Now, to mimic the layers in a traditional lasagna, on top of the pasta I'm going in with some rich tomato sauce, spreading that all over the surface, and then some blobs of nice creamy ricotta. And then we roll all of that up to give multiple layers of lasagna-like goodness. I'm then carefully placing our lasagna hot dog onto our garlic bread bun, placing that onto a lined baking sheet, and covering the whole thing in a generous layer of grated mozzarella cheese. Then, to give the whole thing pepperoni pizza vibes, I'm adding some sliced pepperoni to the top and then placing the whole thing under the broiler till everything is nice and hot and melted. A few little leaves of basil to garnish, and that, my friends, is a classic Italian garlic bread lasagna pizza hot dog, just like Nonna used to make. Well, yeah, probably not, but let's see how it tastes. And believe it or not, it's actually genuinely really good. The carb on carb of the bread and pasta are really satisfying. You get the crunch and flavour of the garlic bread, tying in beautifully well with the classic Italian flavours of pasta with tomato sauce and ricotta, all topped with some ooey gooey cheese and spicy pepperoni. And while I don't think it's really any one of the 4 things that it's trying to be, but it does take the flavour and textural elements of them and combine them all into its own new thing. And that new thing is really delicious. So if you're feeling a bit indulgent, why not give this a try? For another viral style recipe video, check out this Flamin' Hot Cheetos chicken sandwich, or alternatively check out this video here that YouTube has chosen for you. Subscribe for more, and until next time, happy snacking.